Construction vehicle name. Bucket wheel excavator.
Bucket wheel excavator, a large excavating machine with a rotating wheel equipped with buckets. It's primarily used in mining operations to dig earth and rock.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer, a heavy-duty machine with a metal blade in the front, used for pushing earth, rocks, sand, or other materials during construction or earth-moving tasks.
Dump truck.
Dump truck, a type of truck capable of lifting and dumping cargo quickly. They are often used to transport construction materials from excavation sites to construction areas.
Road roller.
Road roller, a machine used to compact soil, sand, or asphalt during road construction, creating a smooth and sturdy road surface.
Crawler crane.
Crawler crane, a crane with a crawler track undercarriage, allowing it to move on uneven terrain like rocky or sandy ground.
Road header.
Road header, a machine used to excavate or drill tunnels or underground infrastructure.
Excavator.
Excavator, a machine used for digging earth and cutting through other materials. It has a flexible digging arm and a bucket attachment.
Articulated dump truck.
Articulated dump truck, similar to a regular dump truck, but with an articulated joint between the cab and the bed, enabling flexible movement over varied terrain.
Backhoe.
Backhoe, a versatile machine capable of both digging and scooping, with a front blade and a digging arm at the rear.
Demolition excavator.
Demolition excavator, specifically designed for demolishing structures, houses, or other construction works.
Motor grander.
Motor grader, a machine used to adjust the slope of the ground by moving earth from higher to lower positions or vice versa.
Hydraulic shovel.
hydraulic shovel equipped with a powerful hydraulic system efficiently performs digging and excavation tasks. It offers high power and versatility, making it ideal for heavy-duty operations in mining, construction, and road building.
Scraper.
Scraper, a machine dedicated to scraping or moving earth, sand, or other materials from one location to another.
Wrecking ball crane.
Wrecking ball crane, equipped with a large ball, it's used to demolish structures by swinging and impacting them.
Wheel loader.
Wheel loader, a wheeled excavator used for digging and moving construction materials.
Crane.
Crane, a lifting machine used for hoisting and moving heavy materials, commonly used in construction or port activities.
Cement mixer truck.
Cement mixer truck, a truck used for transporting and mixing concrete during construction.
Hole digger excavator.
Hole digger excavator, used for digging holes or trenches in infrastructure or oil pipeline construction.
Diesel hammer.
Diesel hammer, a device used for pounding or dismantling hard structures using energy from a diesel engine.